Such a peaceful, quiet night in Lehigh Valley tonight. Right behind me is Wolf Milson's Notary. I don't know if it's still on the train, so the train's going on the Lehigh line or not. I think it just may be from the other side of Bethlehem, Pennsylvania, or Allentown. No. I think the church bells are getting too quiet now. And this one's probably trying to turn there. Prick. Wait, not prick. Keep playing, church bells, keep playing! Yep, that's definitely scoring. Oh. There goes another one coming down the street. And the church is from coming the other side of the Lehigh River here in Whitehall, Pennsylvania. So I'm gonna get closer to this thing. Train tracks here in Lehigh Valley. Church bells are so peaceful. Great concert. Peace out.